10. Tansy. Tansy is a plant used to herb or medical. Its color is bright yellow.
9. Gentian. Gentian is plant used for the root of the plant. Gentian have vibrant blue color.
8. Gorse. Gorse is invasive plant worst in 100 top. Gorse used to herb and medical. Here vibrant yellow color.
7. Fireweed. Fireweed is plant found in a field and near mountain. Here bright pink color. 6. Valerian. Valerian is plant used to root herb and medical. Here bright white and pink color.
5. Bay laurel. Bay laurel is plant used to potting and decoration.
4. Snowdrop. Snowdrop is plant used to potting and vase decoration. Its color is blank white.
3. Juniper. Juniper is plant is edible berry in a plant. Juniper have blueberry in plant used to recipe.
2. Yucca. Yucca is plant found in desert used to root, potting and medical. Here blank white flower color. 1. Acacia, also known wattle tree. Acacia have a bright yellow flower in the plant. Acacia used to woodworking. Here found in savanna.
All the plant species have unique and beautiful color. All the plant species have all unique minds and making.